Whoops.
Boop.
Are we getting stuff at the gas station?
Hose.
We're going to the gas station.
Downhill.
Yeah. Okay, ready, go.
Ah! Oh my goodness gracious. It's actually pretty fun. Until the car goes. It's all good. Whoa. Hey, how's it going? Okay. Don't cut me up. Poops. I'll cut you off with my finger. What? I think you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Car coming. Oh! It's all good. Oh, Spring Food has sprayed me. That's not nice of you. Bad boy. Or girl. Or something. So yeah. Okay. I'll give you a little later. Yeah.